What are you up to, guys? Welcome to my channel. For today's video I'm going to change ball joint on my Volkswagen Golf Mark II. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect tie rod end first. It is 18mm bolt. Then I'm going to remove this 17mm bolt. Then I will try separate ball joint from the wheel bearing housing, and then how you can see here, we have how you can see we have 313mm bolts here. They need to be removed as well. Okay. Hammer, a little bit hammer. So I'm going to use tie rod end lifter. Yep. She's out. Alright. So next thing, 17mm bolt. See here. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold one side of the bolt to avoid spinning, and I have another branch here, so so we can remove So what we going to do next, I'm going to try separate ball joint from the wheel bearing housing. So I will hit it with hammer. Yeah. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit this part, and we see. So you can see here, my hammer. So I do have a pain with removing this ball joint from the wheel bearing housing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove those 3 bolts, and I will use ball joint tool, and we see. So how you can see, I did separate ball joint from the control arm. And now I will try remove that with the ball joint tool. I will try it. Yeah, okay. Oh. So that's the old one. So we can fit a new ball joint now. So new ball joint is there. I can put the screws back. 30 mil. So 3 bolts. Then I put the ball joint in the place. I did put the 17 mil bolt in. Then put back tie rod end, tied it up, and you are done. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you very soon in the next one. Bye.